In Olivia's story entitled Pigs Fly. Once upon a time, in an airport, there was a pig.
I'm a pig in this big giant airport. This is where I live. I'm a pig.
Well, the pig loved the airport.
It's the greatest airport ever. Well, there's Delta and JetBlue and, well, it's 2 airlines, but that's all I need.
Well, in fact, he loved it so much that he wished that he could own the airport.
One day, I promise you, I'm going to own all of this. And I'll let you all go on vacations for free.
Unfortunately, the airport was already owned by someone.
Late again. JetBlue, you're always late.
Oh, hi.
Hey there, pig. I noticed you live here in the airport now.
Yeah, this is my area.
All right, you can have that airport bench. Just don't delay any of the planes, okay?
Well, the pig wanted to know one thing.
Listen. The airport here, I want it for myself. I want to own it.
That's funny. Why would you want to own an airport?
Well, because it's fun and you get to fly and go wherever you want.
Well, pig, I'm sorry, but pigs just can't fly.
Oh, yeah? Watch this. Well, watch. I'm gonna...
Yeah.
No!
Well, the owner decided to give the pig the airport under one condition.
Here's what I'll tell you.
All
The
right.
day pigs can fly, you can have this airport. Till then, it's mine. Good luck, buddy.
Oh,
Well,
man.
he knew pigs couldn't fly, and so the pig was sad.
It's just not fair. Steven Spielberg doesn't even come here anymore.
He sat on his bench in the airport and he cried. And he cried. And he cried. Well, while he was sitting there was a lamp next to his bench. And he noticed that the lamp next to the bench had a smudge on it.
There's a smudge on my lamp. Squeaky, squeaky,
He began to rub the lamp.
squeaky, squeaky,
And all of a sudden, a genie came out of the lamp.
I am Genie! I am here to grant you 3 wishes.
Wow, 3 whole wishes. Oh, gosh. I know what I want to wish for.
What is your first wish?
I want to fly.
You want to fly?
Yeah.
You're in an airport. You can fly wherever you want.
I want to fly myself.
Very well. I shall give you wings.
And so, all pigs could fly. Magically, the pig grew his very own set of wings.
Wow. I can fly. I can fly.
What is your second wish?
My second wish? Well, I wish to own all of this. Delta, JetBlue, those 2, yeah.
The airport already has an owner. I'm afraid I can't steal from anyone for a wish.
Well, I saw the owner, and the owner said that if I could fly, then I could have the airport.
Very well. For your second wish, the owner will keep his promise. And when he sees you fly, you will.
Oh, great.
What is your final wish?
Final wish. Well, I want it now. I want it right now.
It will all happen now then. Your wish is my command.
And
The owner!
just then the owner appeared in front of the pig.
Check it out.
You have wings.
I do.
You're flying.
I'm flying.
You're really flying.
Look at me.
You're really doing it.
In the sky.
Well, the owner knew that she had to hold up her end of the bargain.
You know what? I was wrong to make fun of you like that.
All right.
And I said if pigs could fly, you could have Delta, JetBlue, and everything else.
Guess what? I'm flying.
That's right, you are, pig. So this airport is yours.
Thank you. Keys, please.
And so he got to name the airport.
What are you gonna name it?
I think I'll name it Air Pig.
And Air Pig was a giant success.